Hello friends, welcome to Clubcraft Area. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to crochet this beautiful earring. For this, we are using 4 colors of yarn, crochet hook, fish hook, jump ring and a cutter. This earring is made using single crochet stitch. If you have any doubt to do the single crochet, you can refer a link which is given in the description box. Start with a magic ring. Do chain 1. Next we're going to work inside this circle. We are going to do 6 single crochet inside this circle. Insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. This is what we tell it as single crochet. You have to do 6 single crochet inside this circle. 1, 2,
3, 4, 5 and 6.
After doing 6 single crochet, it looks like this. Then pull this yarn to make it like a circle and finish this round by doing a slip stitch in this first single crochet. After completing this round, it looks like this. For next round, do chain 1, do 2 single crochet in the same stitch. 1, 2. Do 2 single crochet in the next stitch. 1 and 2. So this is the pattern which we have to follow for this row by doing 2 single crochet in each stitch till you reach this end. At the end of this round, you will be having 12 single crochet stitches. Finish this round by doing a slip stitch in this first single crochet. After completing this round, it looks like this. You will be having 12 single crochet stitches. For next round, do chain 1, do a single crochet in the first stitch, 2 single crochet in the next stitch. 1, 2. 1 single crochet in the first stitch and 2 single crochet in the next stitch. 1, 2. So this is the pattern which you want to follow for this row by doing 1 single crochet in the first stitch and 2 single crochet in the next stitch. 1, 2 till you reach this end and finish this row by doing a slip stitch. At the end of this round, you will be having 18 single crochet stitches. After completing this round, it looks like this. Do chain 1 and snip off this yarn. By following the same pattern, you have to do 2 more circles like this. Now we have 3 circles. Let's see how to join them together to make it like this earring. First, we will join these 2 colors together. For that, we will count 9 stitches and place the stitch marker. Take this color, make a slip knot. Remove the stitch marker, insert the hook in the stitch and same way insert it in this stitch, insert it in this loop, pull through, do chain 1. We will join both the sides using slip stitch. Insert the hook in the first stitch of the first circle, insert the hook in the next stitch of the next circle, yarn over, pull through both the stitches and pull through the loop. This is what we tell it as slip stitch. Insert the hook in the first stitch of the first circle, insert the hook in the next stitch of the next circle, yarn over, pull through both the stitches and both this loop. Insert it in the first stitch of the first circle, insert it in the next stitch of the next circle, yarn over, pull through both the stitches and through the stitch. So it looks like this. You have to do this till you reach this stitch marker by doing slip stitch to join both the edges. Now we have joined both the sides. Next we will take the next circle, place it here and we will join both these sides. How we join like this? We will do 9 stitches this side and 9 stitches this side. After joining 3 circles, it looks like this. Next do chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and join it here. do a slip stitch. Do chain 1 and snip off this yarn. Next we'll see how to add jump ring and the fish hook. Take the jump ring, open it up, place it in this chain 5 space, place the fish hook and close the jump ring. After joining the jump ring and the fish hook, the earrings looks like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.